Здравствуйте, дорогие друзья!
Hello and welcome to Vocabulary Lesson 10, Part 3 of the Practical Russian course for beginning students. In this lesson you will learn about Russian numbers to 1 million. Remember to repeat the words out loud after tomorrow. 1,000,
1000,
1 million,
миллион.
You can see the lessons for numbers from 1 to 1000 in the info cards above. In this lesson we will cover numbers 1000 to 1 million. Notice the similarities of some of the endings and pay attention to where the stress falls. 1,000,
1000,
2,000,
2000,
3,000,
3000,
4,000,
4000,
5,000,
5000,
6,000,
6000,
7,000,
7000,
8,000,
8000,
9,000,
9000,
10,000,
10000,
100,000,
100000,
200,000,
200000,
300,000,
300000,
400,000,
400000,
500,000,
500000,
600,000,
600000,
700,000,
700000,
800,000,
800000,
900,000,
900000,
1 million,
миллион.
$244,
244,
172,
172,
954,
954,
444,
444,
685,
685,
366,
366,
677,
677,
282,
282,
919,
919,
2,810,
2810,
6,332,
6332,
3,423,
3423.
5544.
5544.
7237.
7237.
9226.
9226.
4617.
4617.
3912.
3912.
2109.
2109.
Here is an exercise. Write down the numbers when you hear them.
6000. 2000. 7000. 9000. 10000. 4000. 5000. 8000. Миллион.
Here are the answers. In this lesson, you have learned about Russian numbers to 1 million. As you proceed through this practical Russian course, your Russian language skills will increase incrementally and will become long-lasting. If you found this video useful, please subscribe, ring the notification bell and like this video.
До свидания.
And we will see you next time in the practical Russian course for beginning students.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting